Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Aerocool Skyline ARGB chassis. So friend, Aerocool has introduced the Skyline ARGB middle tower PC case, which features the tempered glass on the left side panel, and from the front face features an integrated ARGB compliant LED line, allowing you to enjoy the system's illumination. And friend, the lineup comprises the Skyline A-BK-v2, which comes standard with ARGB fan on the back, and the Skyline A-BK-v1, which comes standard with a regular fan. And from the front cooling fan can be 120 mm into 2, a top cooling fan can be 120 mm into 2, and power supply cover cooling fan may be 120 mm into 2, and the rear cooling fan can be 120 mm into 1, and from the front mounted water cooled radiator can be up to 240 mm in diameter, and the rear mounted radiator can be up to 120 mm in diameter. And friend, the drive-by architecture consists of two 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch set base and two 2.5-inch base with 7 expansion slots capable of accommodating graphics card with a maximum length of 380 mm, a CPU cooler with a total height of 154.8 mm, and friend, an ATX power supply unit with a depth of 178 mm, and friend, ATX, MicroATX, Mini-ITX form factors are supported. And friend, the front I/O includes two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 port, and audio input or output. And friend, the external measurements are 196 mm in width, 441 mm in depth, and 464 mm in height. And friend, inside the right side panel, the back wide specification is 12.9 mm wide. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.